Well, we are here at Disney at the Magic Kingdom, and they just took our temperature. Then, like you see, everybody is with the social distancing. We got to the point where they are going to check our bags for security purposes, and they require a mask for everybody. And let's see how it goes inside. Here we just made it to take the ferry boat. And good morning.
Okay, separate between.
Come on, Bali. We're gonna take the ferry to get to Magic Kingdom. Here's Dad. I think he's more excited than his baby.
Coming to Disney, it's always a great experience. It's always tons of fun. And especially when you bring your kids, just looking at that smile on their faces is just unbelievable. But today, we not only want to share that a little bit of that fun we're going to have, but also we want to be able to share with you how we feel going to a Disney park at this point during the pandemic, with everything starting to open up. We want to show you all the safety protocols taking place. We want to show you how packed the park is. And in summary, just show you so you can decide if you would feel safe or not while visiting. This is the Mickey's PhilharMagic Auditorium. And as you can see, only one every other row is being used, and they only allow up to parties of 4 people. And then there is a division of 2 chairs. If your party is larger than 4, you will just have to split. This really impressed me. Look how they sanitize those wagons after every ride. That's incredible. I also have to say that I have never seen that much hand sanitizer ever. You can find dispensers all over the place in the park. Also have to say that social distancing is enforced. Look, even the princesses are practicing the social distance. And all of that combined with the fact that you cannot remove your mask only to eat or drink says a lot. These parades are always fun to watch, but the idea here is to give you a perspective of the amount of people that you will find in the parks. And I have to say that even though we had to make reservations to come in, I really wish there was a little bit less people. I felt that it was a little bit overcrowded for my preference, but that's just me. In general, we had a great time. We felt safe. That doesn't mean you're gonna feel the same way we did, but I hope this video just gave you a glance and lets you just see how things are so you can decide whether you want to go or not.
And finally, we made it to the castle. They are so excited. Wow, and it's a beautiful day. They are enjoying it very, very much. Juli, who did you see? Who did you see? Let me see. Juliana.
Let's start the fun with some of the rides. Join us.
Holly? That one is better. What about that one? Look at that one. That's gonna be us in just a minute. What do you think? Huh? Are you ready?
I'm not nervous at all.
You're not nervous?
Here we are going up.
You ready, Vale?
Yeah.
Gonna go down the mountain?
Yeah.
You like it, Vale? Woo-hoo-hoo. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Valentina, what do you think now? Talk to the camera more. Vale.
It was amazing.
Okay, Vale. Tell everybody how you like it, Vale.
I like it. Subscribe if you do like roller coaster videos.
All right, thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, this is as the day is over. We still have a 2-hour drive home. It was a great day. We felt safe all the time, and we can't wait to our next Disney visit, which is about 3 weeks. So, well, looking forward to that. Thank you so much for watching.
And of course, you can leave Disney Magic Kingdom without their famous balloons. Of course, you have to get one of those. Otherwise, your chickies won't be happy. There they are, so excited to get a balloon. Blue, their favorite color. What a great time we had. And there they are with their balloons. Happy ending.